Here is a Kmart Lakewood mini box fan, and I've never in my life actually seen one of these fans for sale. I found the first one at an estate sale a few days ago, and it was $2. And the top is just like any other Lakewood Kmart fan. It's 3-bladed. Take a look now at the rear. It's got the same kind of motor that my Lakewood Hassock fan uses. And the problem with this was, I think, a bad splice in the power cord. Here's the old power cord. Someone had spliced it, and when I plugged it in at the estate sale, it didn't come on. But I thought, well, for $2 I'll take a chance on it, and if I need to put a new motor in, I probably could put something in there that might work. So I went ahead and got it. And I cut the old power cord off of it and hooked it up with an alligator clip cord, and it came on just fine. So I just spliced in with a good splice technique with heat shrink tubing a new power cord to it. And they had it was so weird. They had the power cord running out through the bottom of it, then they had it clipped to the front, and they had like this other extra handle put on this, so it was just kind of strange, but I got it working good now. There's high, medium, and low.